Welcome to the series of economics. In this tutorial, I am going to explain you with examples and graph the concept of production possibility curve, also known as production possibility frontier. So what is production possibility curve? It is actually the curve, as the name suggests, it is the curve which actually shows different combination of two goods that an economy can produce using its available resources and technology. So it illustrates the opportunity cost. So if you do not know about what is opportunity cost, so I have uploaded a separate video on what is opportunity cost on this channel. You can watch it. So it illustrate opportunity cost by demonstrating that when you choose to produce more of one good, you have to give up producing some of the other good. So if you look at the table here in the A set, when there is a zero production of rice bags, then there is 10 units of cotton bushels are being produced, and there is no additional opportunity cost here. But if you look at the B set, here one unit of rice bag is being produced. So you can see there is a decrease in the cotton bushels from 10 to 9. So there is a one additional unit of opportunity cost. And in unit C, there is 2 units of rice bags and 7 units of cotton bushels. So the opportunity cost here is 2. And the in D, there is 3 units of rice bags, so there is 4 units of cotton bushels. So the opportunity cost of additional unit is the 3. And in the last one, which is the E, the rice bags units is the 4, while the cotton bushels are the 0. So the opportunity cost of additional unit here in the E is 4. So here you can see the opportunity cost and production possibilities. So you can see the graph, and in the graph you can see the point A and point B, and there is a curve between both of these points. So point A, which is within the PPF curve, also known as the PPC curve, so it represents the inefficient use of resources. Because why? Because economy is not utilizing all its available resources effectively. So whenever there is a ineffectively use of resources, so you will see the point within the PPF curve or the PPC curve. So point A actually representing that economy is not utilizing its all available resources effectively to produce goods and services. And this situation occurs when the resources are underutilized or misallocated, which leads to the a lower level of production. So if you look at the point B, it is the point outside the PPF, which is unattainable given the current resources and technology available. So PPF represent, if you look at the curve represent the maximum output level that can be produced with the existing resources and technology. Therefore the B point, which is the beyond the PPF curve, is actually not feasible in the short run, but it does not mean that it is impossible to achieve B point. Achieving a B point is possible through economic growth. So B point is possible, achieving B point is possible through economic growth, which involve increasing the economic capacity to produce goods and service by over time by improving technology, increasing resources, or enhancing productivity. So we can achieve B point by improving technology, increasing resources, or enhancing productivity. So this was today's tutorial. If you have any question, you can ask in comment. Subscribe for complete economics series, and thanks for watching this video.